say we been to heaven back one weekend. Now devils have been waiting so long, but he wasn't real. Asked if we could meet again some other time, another place. Oh no, wasn't cheating, just the nature of competing. I was simply twisting fate. When the new moon dripped a steady stream, I knelt and washed my face. I caught the last train north, way up north, with the cold wind giving chase. Oh, the night was clear, the air was crisp and clean. The grave beyond our crystal black, the white serene. Oh, when morning broke, we woke to such a scene. Aching sun, but I was not the only one with bloody fist or blistered tongue. Where 1,000 points of light got through the great storm in the sky. Sun beams somersaulting down at twice the speed of light. All the hands crisscrossed and all the clocks on the walls told different times. And the cheap red wine